Coromandel International is the next company which is on our radar. Reported a good set of numbers for the fourth quarter. Overall results are better than expectations, while margin growth came in slightly below estimates. We are now joined by Mr. S Sankarasubramanian, Managing Director and CEO at Coromandel International. Sir, good morning. Good to have you here. Prashant this side. Let's just start with specific segments. What kind of volume growth are you seeing for the nutrient and CP segments for FY26?
Good morning, Prashant. Thanks for talking to us. As you said, Coromandel has reported a good set of performance for Q4 as well as for the full year 24-25. Thanks to overall good agriculture environment. As you know, the Rabi season which completed was very good. India is likely to report another year of record food grain output, thanks to supportive government policies as well as the resilience of the farmers. And Coromandel, being in this space, has reported a good growth in volumes. In fact, on a quarterly basis, fertilizer volumes for the quarter has been significantly higher by 19%. It moved up from 5.9 lakh tons to 7 lakh tons. And also on the full year basis, we have achieved a record volume of close to 40 lakh tons of NPK fertilizers. And our SSP volumes have been 7 lakh tons. So overall, it's been a good, satisfying year on the nutrient side. But it's very happy to note that even the agrochemical business segment has grown now very well. We have grown by 24% revenue growth in Q4 alone. And for the full year, we have achieved 7% growth. Thanks to our increased volume of exports from active ingredients, improved price realizations, and introduction of new products in the agrochemical space. We have recorded good growth in the profitability of agrochemicals, which has moved significantly from 290 lakh tons to 290 crores to 363 crores. Looking ahead, I'm sure we will continue to maintain this growth trend. Of course, in the case of fertilizers, it's a function of capacity and continue to operate the plant at full capacity utilization. As you know, last year we announced a project to add the capacity of 1 million ton of fertilizer, which will come through in the year 26-27. And we are also embarking on debottlenecking projects that will aid the growth in volumes in the year 25-26. In the case of agrochemicals, definitely we look forward to a high double-digit growth in the revenue terms and supported by good profitability with the introduction of new molecules and as well as new products which are in the pipeline. And also on the retail front, where we are one of the largest player in the agro segment with our own retail outlets. We have added close to 100 retail outlets in
Sorry, just to running a little short on time, so allow me to come in. So high double-digit growth in agrochemicals in FY26. On the nutrient side, sir, what should we expect?
In terms of the volume, we will try to expand our volume by 5 to 6% because it's a function of capacity what we have, and already we are operating at full capacity. But as and when the new capacity comes up in the year 26-27, we should be able to increase our volumes. So next year we can expect 8 to 10% of the volume growth on fertilizers, including the traded volume.
Okay, all right, sir. Hi, good morning. Good to see you, Ben. Tell us about demand and crop protection. How is that? And since you have gotten, you've done some inorganic growth, NACL is going to be coming into your fold. How does it change the dynamics, your market share, as well as profitability going ahead?
No, in fact, we do expect revival in the agrochemical space, which witnessed challenges in quarters in the earlier year. And coming years, we do expect the improved price and improved sentiments and increased demand for agrochemicals and the introduction of new products from our own portfolio, which will be able to see a good growth in revenue. And the NACL, still we are ready to get the regulatory approvals, maybe too premature for me to comment on that. But overall, we see a good recovery in the price trend and the demand uptick is there. So with a good onset of monsoon expectation, the Kharif, all the IMD predictions indicates a positive monsoon. So we do expect increased demand for agrochemicals, both in the domestic market as well as in the export market.
No, I get that. Overall, sir, can you give us a sense of what FY26 top line can grow at?
In case of nutrients, as I mentioned, 8 to 10% of the revenue growth. And in the case of crop protection, it will be a high double-digit growth on crop protection segment. And we are looking to expand our retail footprint from currently what we have 900 stores, likely to go up to 1,400 stores. And that will also aid the growth of agri inputs across. Besides that, we are also looking to grow our service business, which is drone spraying services, which we are expanding across India. And also, we are trying to do seed marketing for fertilizers in the northern markets, anticipating our new capacities. So all this, we can expect double-digit growth in top line and supportive EBITDA as well.
Just one quick question, sir. Is there any senior management sort of changes, etc., which are being contemplated at the company?
No, as we have communicated after our quarterly results, Mr. N. Srinivasan, who is our Murugappa Group veteran, has joined us as Executive Vice Chairman. His financial acumen, his business expertise will definitely help as Coromandel embarks on this journey of growth in the next few years. And also, there is a change in our Chief Financial Officer. Jayesh Sadagopan has decided to move on, and we have got Deepak Natarajan as the Chief Financial Officer. All this has been approved by the board in the last board meeting.
I see, Mr. N. Srinivasan, Vice Chairman, at joining, of course, as you said, Murugappa Group veteran there. Thank you very much, sir. Good speaking with you. Appreciate your time here on CNBC TV 18, and we'll speak again. Thank you.